Hi guys, I've just made this aeroplane 3D garden. I have to colour it in first. Alright, another 3 designs there. A biplane, helicopter, a jet fighter. Colourful puzzle 3D. And to be quite honest, that looks alright. I thought it was going to be absolutely, well, I didn't think it was going to be very good. But yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Looks like I should have done both sides of it, or at least the bits that are the fin there, rudder, could have done with colouring in on the other side. I didn't do the bottom. But yeah, that's surprisingly good. Possibly do with a bit of glue or something. It's foam, paper covered foam, so probably have trouble gluing it. I have to use acrylic glue or something. And I did a time lapse of it, I hope, while I was doing it. But that wasn't too bad. And the end result is quite pleasing. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.